Hey, how's it going, JDM crew? Johnny from JDM Expo with another delivery video. And what we got here is that good old Kenmeri you guys saw a couple months ago. Now, obviously, you know there's a bunch of stuff going on in the world right now. A lot of delays, a lot of everything, a lot of stuff on pause. But what isn't on pause is our deliveries and shipments like this. So this one's heading to the UK. And while there were some delays on the UK end, we were all ready to go over here in Japan. So we've already got the go-ahead. We're going to be bringing it to the container yard. We're going to be sending this one off to our new home in the UK. So there we go. Yeah, so definitely social distancing, keeping a healthy distance with the JDM vehicles here. Beautiful. And yeah, let's bring her over to the container yard. We're gonna have her sent off. Actually, with this customer, we got a couple of other goodies and some other customizations that he wanted included. So we're actually bringing that along, throwing those in with the container as well. They're taking photos for insurance and everything, and they're packaging everything up, and that'll be shipped off with this car. So let's bring her over. Well, there we have it, crew. Have everything set up here. They're gonna be they're checking some numbers. They're just making sure everything's all good to go, and they're gonna be shipping her out soon. So definitely really glad that she'll be finally heading home to the UK. So I mean, it's been waiting a couple of months delayed because of this, but overall everything's all set. So bon voyage to her. Alrighty, so yeah, they're just taking some photos for the insurance process and all that, and they're gonna be packing her up ready to go. So got a couple of goodies over there, wheels and some other accessories that the customer requested. So they've got a build idea. So look forward to a new car in the UK, new Kenmeri, with all sorts of really awesome classic stuff. Ooh, you hear that? Yeah. Ooh. Alrighty. Well, bon voyage to her. And if you guys are looking for more information, make sure to hit us up, info@jdm-expo.com. The sales team can let you know more about the details. And if you're wondering about container shipping versus roll-on, roll-off, and any other regulations going to wherever you are in the world, they'll be able to get that sorted, or at least get you in touch with someone that can help you out with that. So there she goes. It's very nice. So yeah, seen this a number of times with different vehicles, but it's always cool. But yeah, all right guys, thanks for stopping by, and we'll catch you in the next one.